Many of the colonists that were in America were originally from England, but that was not the only location many colonists were from. Many other colonists also came from places such as Ireland, Scotland, Holland, England, and Sweden, and Germany and France. The American people had many reasons for migrating. People with no work in their homeland were guaranteed work in America. Many other people migrated to America due to the fact that they were persecuted in England and other countries due to their religious beliefs. They got on ships much like this one and sailed to the Americas. When the 13 colonies became a permanent settlement, it's very important. Here are four. Pennsylvania became a permanent settlement in 1943, New York 1624, Virginia 1607, and Maryland 1634. Here are the rest of permanent settlement locations: New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and New York. And all of these places were very important. Population growth. In the 1600s, the population growth slowly increased. By the 1700s, the population soon expanded rapidly. This made trouble for food, land, and water proportions.